Okay, second test, at least it went forward. Unfortunately, it doesn't like the black paper for stopping on, which I can adjust that. That's fine. That's actually by these resistors back here that you see on this dip, because I thought that they could all be the same, but they can't, and I'm gonna have to bring this out. Oh, little heat transfer goo on my finger there. But I'm gonna have to change this out for trimmer pots, because I'm sure I'm gonna have to change it for whatever ring I'm on. This little guy's gonna get a little brain infusion here, so it actually needs to be powered up. Normally I just power it up off a power supply, so I'm not using this battery, but kind of want to get out there and try this again. So here's our little programmer. Oh, I got this white goo all over the place. My heat sink on my motor controller, it seems like in some speeds this thing heats up a lot, so I had to see if we can zoom in that, create my own little heat sink on top of that chip there. Doesn't look pretty, but it sure does dissipate a lot of heat. So that's get that in there just right. Sorry, just plugged that guy in there. Put on little boards there so I didn't have to pull the chip or anything. And I specifically set these guys up so that I didn't disable easy programming. I don't want to pull these chips out of place and put them on separate boards. Call me lazy, but I'm going to dump in the latest code. I added a new speed called quote-unquote normal speed. I guess it's cool. I'm going to go ahead and actually compile it real quick. Oh, and apparently I failed. What did it not like? Address label duplicated. Oh, I see what I did. Motor left full, motor left normal. Forgot to edit something. Motor right forward normal. I forgot to edit this little label here. Normal. You gotta see me make an oops. Well, sure there'll be more of those. Alright. There was another one, but we'll see how this goes. Project build all. Oh, there we go. We'll program this. That worked. Every time I program it, it trips my motor controller into alarm. That's what that little red light is. I just reset it. Actually, I have to reset the other controller as well, this guy here, so we'll reinitialize that. Oh, there we go. Alright, we'll go and try test number 3. I suspect I still need to slow it down more, but I'll probably have to do this without the camera this time.